Hello guys, today I'm going to be another one of my twin ideas, and this is twin of Carlos De Vil. Carla De Vil. Carla De Vil, Carla De Vil. You guys know that song. She likes to sing it this way. Carla De Vil, Carla De Vil. She doesn't scare me, no evil thing will. She's all about being evil and being beautiful at the same time. And let's see her hair, shall we? Oh, is this not working? Guess I'm gonna do it fast. Okay, well this is what she looks like basically. Oh, you guys can see her. Well that's a problem. I'm gonna have to get her out of that then. Anyways, this is what she looks like. Her hair is red, her outfit is red with a little bit of white. Her shoes are red because they match, okay? I'm not doing it just for the popularity of things. I'm doing it because they, they match, okay? Now, ooh, you can open curtain. That's nice, but I'm not going to do that. Can you unlock it without the key? Or do you have to have the key? Guess you have to have the key. Well then. Can we go outside then? Can we go outside now? Come on, can we go outside now? Hey, can I go outside now? No? No? You're gonna tell me that I can't leave my dorm? Well, ish. That's nice. So I'm here in Enchantrix High. Amazing stuff here. Change clothes. Oh, look at this. Look at this amazing chair. That's nice. Okay, moving on. Look at how much detail the person put into making this stuff. And this isn't even their proudest joy. If you look over here, they're doing everything. I don't know what this is. Looks like this thing. But this is a stage. She could just like walk up it and sing. Carla De Vil, Carla De Vil. Now I'm coming at you. La 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 la. Ooh. Oh man, I missed it. Oh well. So yeah, here's the lobby of her dorm. Look how many stars. It's because she's a popular fairy. The famous pop star fairy. Open windows. There's windows? That's nice. You know what? I think I might just unlock it. Because leaving this dorm is kind of hard. This is a really cool dorm, and I've never really had the chance to explore it. So I thought I'd just do it today, I guess. Since, you know, my person is, and all that. I usually am no, and usually we're a fire princess, or maybe next time I'll make her dark princess. I don't know. I'm still thinking about everything. But yeah, here's Carla De Vil. Hope you guys like her. And Supernova, I guess. Class is out. Man, I missed cooking class. Good. I hate cooking class. Okay, let's just keep going. Maybe? No? Am I frozen? Oh, I hate it when that happens. Oh, look. My thing even has a red carpet. Except it's gold. It's a gold carpet. Because we are even amazing. We don't deserve a red carpet. We deserve a gold carpet. Because we are awesome. Is that a girl named Jazzy? Okay, I've met so many girls named Jazzy, it's not even funny. It's, like, not even funny. Oh, it's really awesome. I don't know. But seriously, yeah, it's not even funny. How many girls I know whose name is Jazzy and listening. I mean, her name's even Jazzy. Look at this. Look at this. Look over here. Look, it's Jazzy. Looks like she's a fairy of creativity. I can punch you. Okay, so yeah, this is awesome. Oh, where did the gem go? The only reason I can get this side was for the gems. And now the gems are all gone. You know what? I forgot what's in here. Let's go check this thing out. Do 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 do. Wait, isn't this the pool thingy? I think. Wait, what? Yeah, there's the pool. No, that's the entrance to the pool. Here's a sitting area. Gems. Gemsy, gemsy, gems. Is this the boys' side? I don't really care. But is it? I have a feeling it is. Oh, it's both sides. Boys and girls. I guess I'm gonna go to the girls' side. I think I'm on the girls' side. I don't really know. I might be in the boys' bathroom. Ah! Funny, Carla De Vil in the boys' bathroom. Nope, this is the girls. This is definitely the girls. Imagine if this is the boys' bathroom. This would be amazing if it was. Would be funny. Imagine this being the boys' bathroom. And a girl just like walks in here and says, "This doesn't even look like a boys' bathroom. Someone like named the bathroom wrong or something? Is this frozen? Are you kidding me? That'd be frozen up on me. How could you, computer? How could you freeze on me? How could you, Roblox? How could you freeze on me? How dare you?" Well, anyways, that's Carla De Vil. I'll show you guys the rest of the Chanchix High with a different person in a different video. But I have some other things to show you guys, not that. As you saw in my last episode, we talked about we were trying to block swatch, never really finished it. But yeah, block swatch is just baloney, guys. It's not real, and she even has block swatch. If you look right here, like right here, block swatch appears. Just watch.
I feel so amazing when I enter through these doors. Let's talk about it. I feel so good. I also like how it's kind of a secret entrance to get to my door. I feel like you can't really see where the staircase is. Oh my gosh, the block swatch eyes! Oh my gosh, the block swatch eyes are here! Get out! Out with you, block swatch! Out with you! I curse you to leave my dorms. You are not welcome here. Alright, okay, going back. Whoa! Oh my gosh, there's a downstairs. I never even knew. Oh my gosh, look! Look, we can lock people in cells down here!
So yeah, that's the block swatch stuff I wanted to show you. Also I want to tell you guys, please check out my Roblox, what am I about to say? Check out my Magical Mermaids account and this account that you're watching this on. Also, please check out the Mittens 2.0 and Prince JJ account that I have. Okay, no, I don't want to watch this. Why are you starting? Please no. No. I don't want to see this ad. Go away. Go away. No, I'm just gonna stay here. So please subscribe and hit the notification.
Before you go, make sure you're subscribed.
Yeah, what she's saying.
And
before
turn on
you
the
go.
notifications.
Yeah,
so you
what
don't
she's saying.
They'll upload. Click that bell.
Basically what she just said. If this thing will load. Here we are. Please hit my subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Is it not on this thing? Well, that's kind of embarrassing. I wonder. Wait. 1 second, guys. Okay, well, please hit that subscribe button as I have my other account. And check out all my videos. Sometimes I don't know how to change the name, like this video and these videos right here. But please check them out anyways. These are really cool. That one's like me just messing around and stuff. That's with me and JJ. These two, I really put my heart into it. This one's kind of funny. These were the very beginning when I was having a rough time with Roblox, and Royal High School was really giving me a rough time with doors and flying and everything, and I was getting really glitched out. So I made like many parts of a worst day of high school. I think I made like 6, and just like went like this. Yeah. Hi. It's good to be here. A-P-I-E. API. Okay, that's funny. But yeah, it works now for me. The doors are still, like, if you see in this, you'll see in this episode that the doors still are a bother. I'll show you. Here, watch as we exit the doors. Mom, the doors. Here, watch this. Yes, ha 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 ha. Um, 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 the doors are still bothering me, but yeah, that's just problems. Bomb the doors. To find out what I mean, yeah. Heaven Dreamer, whatever your name is, if you're out there, thank you for being part of this amazing thing. I want to make a part 3, so wherever you are, I want to be friends with you and keep this, maybe series going, because I really want to have the revenge that awaits, but isn't there yet. So, yeah, everyone, just please subscribe, hit the notification bar, subscribe to, wait, what? Cool? Yeah, this is like, let's see how many views it's had. No views. No one, except for me, have viewed this. And this was like 3 months ago. So if you see this video, please check out these, videos. It'll be real help, and please spread the news about me, because nobody is watching my OMG. Someone has watched my episode. Who's been watching this? Was it me? Did I watch my own video 3 times? No one's liked it. No one's commented. If you watch it, comment down below in the comments. But yeah, seriously. Yeah, see? 3 views. Probably me. Yeah, no likes. Please, people. Please, I'm begging you. And probably I have no comments. Yeah, look. No comments. Please comment if you watch it. That way I know that I'm actually not invisible and not important. But yes, I'm not gonna give away all my videos in this video. But yes, yeah, the coming videos I've uploaded. So yeah. Wait, what? Oh, it's my break because of that. Okay, but yeah. Please check out my Roblox, my YouTube account, and subscribe and hit the notification. And if you have any ideas for me with the Royal High game, if you have any like, what's it called, hacks or whatever, tricks, or have any ideas that I could do with my characters in my series. I have twins to every single Disney's character, and I'm not afraid to use them, but only one at a time. Thank you very much. So yeah, please hit the notification, subscribe and hit the notification button, and well, thank you for watching, and I guess I'll make another video later. Bye. Mittens 2.0 out.